Where's Virat? And I hope he's fine.
Yes, he is fine. He has got a clue about the place where Arohi has held Tara captive. He has gone to get her back. I hope he finds Tara without any problem. Dilip, it's been a long time since we all last stayed together. I'm feeling very happy.
Stop! I'm sure that this badge belongs to Tara. Where did that pipsqueak disappear? This is a piece of cloth from Tara's sari. She had escaped the prison wearing a police uniform. Tara is somewhere around.
This is a rat sound.
If there are rats here, it means that there must be a hole too. Perhaps behind these cupboards, there might be a small door or a window.
It's very heavy. I can't move it.
It's indeed heavy, but we'll have to give it a try. Apply some more force. You're smiling. Do you even know how serious the situation is? And you're smiling? Do you know that we can die of suffocation over here?
We won't die, Deep. We still have to live together. We have always completed all the tasks that we have done together. And even if our luck doesn't favor us this time, I will have no regrets. At least I'll be happy to die in your arms.
All of these words, they sound good in films, but not in real life. Got it? As far as working together is concerned, things have always gone worse and not better. We are stuck here. It's because of you. Who told you to come here with me? Now listen to me. Let me do what I'm doing. Don't disturb me, because you won't do anything. So just sit down. Stay here, don't go anywhere.
Tara! Tara! Tara. Police. How did the cops come here? If they see me here, they will be sure that I am involved.
Tara, your brother Virat, he is such a coward. He saw the cops and then he ran away. He came here to save you. But my sister Arohi, her plan was so good, she switched your place. You have troubled all of us a lot. Now you go through some trouble also. I will not give you oxygen cylinder. Hey, wake up. Did she die? Come on, get up. Is she pretending? Or is she really dead? Listen.
Your eyes are telling me what's in your heart, Deep. You feel exactly the same as I feel for you. Don't lie to me now. There is no one but us here. Our destiny has brought us so close that you cannot go away from me even if you want. It is just us and our hearts that beat. Say what's in your heart today.
My heart? I can't feel anything. Do you get it? I don't feel anything. My feelings are dead. So stop talking nonsense and let me think how to get out of here. What was the need to walk when it was dark?
Why do you care? I am fine, nothing is wrong.
You were hurt by a metal. You can get infected.
So I will suffer, why do you care?
Oh, please shut up. Come on.
By now, Virat must have found Tara. They must be coming. I will fulfill my promise this time. I will tell my daughter Tara, do whatever you wish to do with them. Why hasn't Virat come as yet? Virat, did you find Tara?
Mom, I didn't find her at that place. She must have been shifted from there. But I saw Chavani there. We would have come to know many things had I laid my hands on him. But that twerp ran away.
Why did you come all alone? You should have looked for her.
Mom, I was about to get Tara, but the cops arrived suddenly. I had to flee because they doubt that I helped Tara to escape from the jail.
I don't know. Go again and find her, please. Go and find my daughter, please. Why don't you go and search her?
We will be able to find her when we know as to where she is. Where should I search? This is such a big city and we don't know where has Arohi hid Tara.
Only Arohi can tell us as to where Tara is.
I have locked her up in a dungeon.
You did the right thing. We'll grab her neck and find out where she has kept Tara.
Come on.
What happened?
This button isn't working.
The lock is jammed. It's very old.
What do we do now?
We will have to use something to open it, Virat.
You try pressing the button, I'll get something.
Yes.
I think she is dead. Let me put the mask on her. She is not breathing at all. Now what should I do? I'll throw some water on her. Let me see if she's breathing or not.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.